how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in cPanel. So first, log into your cPanel account, then go to File Manager. Then find public underscore HTML, double click. Then on the settings, click settings and show hidden files. So there's a hidden files that you don't see. Just show it. Click show hidden files, then click save. So you see some hidden files. Then click .ht access. Then edit. Then using the code, using this code, you will see this code at the bottom of the video. Just paste it here. Make sure to put some space like this. Then paste this code. Then click save changes. There you go. HTTP to HTTPS successfully redirected. Thank you.